Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to SULGI channel analytics. SULGI has uploaded 350 videos. She now has 4.83 million subscribers with a total view of 940,405,246 views. She's from Korea, and her channel type is People. She created her channel since November 5, 2012. The grade she got is A-, and her social blade ranking is at 1,275th. The subscriber ranking is 2,851st and then video view rank is 6,024th. She ranked 57th in Korea and 251st in People. Next, the daily subs for SULGI is around 11k with a daily view of 2,335,616. Now let's talk about how much money is she making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 2,300,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $9,200. Then, monthly income will be $276,000. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $151,800 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $1,821,600. That is how much SULGI earns from YouTube.